Hi, my name is Derek from Worlds of Wonder Leather Books, and I just want to show you how to use our online customizer to customize your book and get some designs etched or embossed or engraved onto it. So if you choose any book from our shop section and you go to add personalization, and you choose either laser engraving or heat embossing, this will bring up the customize button. As soon as you press that, it'll open up the online customizer, and it just takes a few seconds to load up depending on the speed of your internet connection. So here I've already done one earlier, just a little sample. So you see you can add text or clip art images, and then you can move it, make it smaller. As you can see, it snaps easily to this grid. You can also rotate it or delete it altogether. You can also zoom in and out of the design, and if you click and drag anywhere, you can also move the book around. That's handy if you're zoomed into the book. We also have the option to bend or curve the text, so that's easy to play around with. You can get all sorts of nice effects going with this. And then you can move it to the center there. Let me just show you. You can also add more text. If you wanted any more text, you can click on this text button. Let's add that second word. And you can make a little design like that. We'll zoom in and out of it, very quick and easy to do. You can also add clip art. I must just say with that and also with the text, be careful not to make these clip arts too small. Some of it's been designed to be a border like this, so you can make a little border. But the problem with laser on leather is that you need quite a thick line. If you make the line too small, our laser simply won't burn into the leather enough. So it'll just make a scorch mark and it won't actually burn into it. So be careful, don't do a lot of these small pieces with intricate lines in it. Keep them quite large. And I'll just show you there. If you double click anywhere on this area, you'll see that it zooms out, but then you can also zoom in again. And just something else to keep in mind, we've got a safe zone where you can actually do these designs. So it's marked with a little block on each product, and some of it's got two areas where you can do embossing or engraving. And if you move anything outside of that box, it simply won't work. This is a safe area where our machines can actually do the embossing. If you wanted this surname over there, it's not going to work, simply because our machines can't reach there. So this is the only area where you can do embossing on this specific book. And then finally, I just wanted to say a little bit more. If you wanted to add your own logo, you can go here to My Gallery and upload images. But just keep in mind, we need a vector image, .svg, to work. You can upload your JPEGs, but that means there will be an extra design fee charged for us to convert it. Our lasers need an SVG format to work. So that's it. you can now add it to cart, which will take you to the checkout counter from where you can pay online. And thanks. I hope you have a wonderful time designing your new book.